Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Windows. First, you'll need to download the Epic Games launcher from their official website. Once downloaded, install it and either create a new Epic Games account or log in if you already have one. Then, simply search for Fortnite within the launcher's store and click Install. The game file size is typically around 26 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection for the download. To ensure a smooth experience, check your system specifications. Fortnite requires a 64-bit operating system, at least an Intel Core i3-3225 processor or an equivalent AMD chip, and 4 gigabytes of RAM. For graphics, an Intel HD 4000 or better is recommended. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. A stable internet connection with at least a 25 megabits per second download speed is also crucial for online play. Once Fortnite is installed, launch it directly from the Epic Games launcher. You'll be greeted by the main menu where you can choose from various game modes. Battle Royale is the most popular, featuring 100 players competing to be the last one standing. Creative Mode allows you to build and design your own islands, while Save the World offers a player versus environment experience. Take some time to explore the settings and customize your controls for a comfortable gameplay experience. In Fortnite, mastering building is key to survival and victory. You can quickly construct walls, ramps, floors, and cones to defend yourself or gain high ground. Remember to harvest materials like wood, stone, and metal to fuel your building efforts. Practice your aiming and shooting with the diverse array of weapons available. Effective communication with your teammates, especially in squad modes, significantly increases your chances of success. Enjoy the dynamic and exciting world of Fortnite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.